crabs in here.
There he is, the 82-year-old main man.
Yeah, I done heard about you.
The main man of Stone Crab.
Been talking to Ray there, hoping that man all kind of money for his crabs.
Oh, no.
No, that's what I hear.
Oh, really? Well, this is the Stone Crab operation. How's it going, Aaron? Stone crabs go down there. Get them cooked up in here. Graded on this table right here. There's the main man. Steve, how's it going?
Good.
What'd you catch today?
300 pounds.
Wow. Not your average opening day, is it? No?
I don't know, I've done worse and I've done a lot better.
Yeah. Well, just get a little bit of weather, that'll tell a true story, right? True story Hollywood.